Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your Anritsu Model Detector. This machine is currently set at 120 volt single phase. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering on this machine. Today we'll be testing for ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel. Uncontaminated. Ferrous. Non-ferrous. Stainless steel. Uncontaminated.